This will be setup of the eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights E22. We have our basic 3-cable system. These will all be separate. Then we have an extra one right here. You have your power supply, which plugs directly into your power outlet. We have our connected power adapter. So this comes from a 2-prong to a 2-prong, which then comes over to your on-off or controller switch for the eufy lights. And then from the 2-prong, this outputs into the 3-prong. And then in the setup box, you also get this, which is an extension cable, 3-prong to 3-prong, that will allow you to have a stretch of cable up to the lights where it's not actually lighting things up because you just need the cable to get up there. After which you can take one of your batches of lights, as you can see here. They have a little connection right there, 3 and 3, and for unused ones they have a cap to help keep the weather out, which I greatly appreciate. You're gonna then take your cable and match things up, so holes and prongs, and once you get that lined up, you'll see that kind of situate itself into place, and then you just twist to lock everything down, and now we have some lights that I can have in frame for part of the setup here. So first things first, I'm going to plug in everything, get that going, and those are going to start flashing. You're going to download the eufy Life app, different than the eufy Security, eufy Home, or eufy Clean app. Once you do that, you're going to select the plus sign right here, and we are going to say we have smart lighting, and it's letting us know connect, 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 which you've already done. And then we're going to push and hold 1, 2, and there it kind of flashed. So we're going to say it did flash 3 times, and there it has my lights. And we are going to select location, front yard, backyard, indoor, other area, next. Now we can control this with Bluetooth, which would be localized, or we can do this for Wi-Fi. I want to configure the Wi-Fi, and we're going to start configuring, and it's going to ask for my Wi-Fi name. So we're just going to do that real quick. And I have plugged in my Wi-Fi network credentials, and we're just going to let that do its thing. It says to keep device by a router, but the router's underneath me, so hopefully we're close enough. Oh, and here we go. It is successful. And there is an update, so we're going to do that and let this run. Once your firmware is done, you'll see the lights kind of come on over here. You're just going to select done, and now it's going to walk you through installation, kind of walk you through, letting you know you need a ladder, how you should have the power supply, clean the surface first. You want to have your measuring, because you want to have them at least 2 to 4 inches away from wall surface. Okay. Peel off the double back tape. They prefer if you drill them in to make sure that they really don't go anywhere, and then done. And there you go. I can connect over Wi-Fi or over Bluetooth. And that is setup